Alright, yung may kasamang palakpak, sabay-sabay, ready, go! Happy birthday to you. Louder. Okay. Alright. Kuya Rain, close your eyes and open your mouth. Ay, close your eyes and make a wish. Sana bilaw ka ni maming kotse, tatlo. Tatlo agad, ah. And blow the candle. 1, 2, 3, blow! Yay! Okay, mami and daddy, tatabi lang po natin yung cake dahil gagamitin po natin yan. Laki ka na. Ay, hindi pala. Good health at